This is a very early days update on the w124 paint job. All of the panels that are critical for the appearance of the car have had a bare metal primer. This is the first coat of primer. This area here had rust, if you remember correctly. That is no longer there. All of the rust around the sunroof is also gone. It's just had the guide coat applied to these primed surfaces, and it's going to get block sanded. And once all of these crucial panels are perfect, the rest of the car will get primed as well, and so forth. But I'm pretty damn impressed so far. All of the dents have been removed. Any minor imperfections will come out once this guide coat reveals them as well. The damage in the front fenders is also gone. Of interest, the front left fender was not original. He said that had yellow paint on it at some stage. I'm not aware of any yellow 124s in Australia, so it must have been pretty rare to find to that panel. The rust around the antenna is dealt with, and the rust in the rear window frame. Yes, it is early days. I might do another update later when more of this primer has been dealt with. The colour coat will go on in approximately 3 weeks. This is the close-up of that rear window area where the rust was. You would never even know that it was there. So yep, early days, more to come.